Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you a quick overview and taste test and brief analysis of what all is in this Animal Pre-Workout Fury Essentials. And this just so happens to be the blue ice pop flavor. Real quick, the ingredient list is quite short, which is not the norm when it comes to most pre-workouts. This basically has 350 milligrams of caffeine, which is in the form of caffeine and hydrose, and then all it has left are amino acids. Very simple, no other fillers. So you have citrulline, malate, beta-alanine, and L-tyrosine in 6,000, 2,000, and 1,000 milligrams respectively, and that's it. Now from a quick analysis of this, it's very, very, very fine powder, very fine, almost like the consistency of, let's just say, powdered sugar, kind of give you an idea. The smell of this, just the powder alone, actually smells really good, but how will it taste? Well, first off, let's get a little mixability action going on. So as you can see here, this is what it would look like. Going into the old flavor there, it's mixing pretty easily on its own, but who doesn't do a good stir? So a quick stir. I would think it has a little bit of a float to it initially because of the BCAAs that are in there. And then there you go. Taste-wise, it's gonna be very subjective. If you're looking for something very sweet, this is not it. It just has a regular old flavor to it. Could you sip it? Could you enjoy it? Sure. If you are very sensitive to the old taste buds and you're just like, I'm looking for something that just tastes fantastic and is very sweet, this is not for you. But if you're just here to get something that's got a 350 milligram dose of caffeine with your essential amino acids, this is the way to go. Not too shabby at all. So hopefully this answers any questions you might have about this pre-workout. Since there are no other ingredients in here from a pump matrix or anything else like this, you pretty much know what you're gonna get when it comes to BCAAs and your caffeine to basically get you up and running. Hopefully this helps answer any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.